What? Hold on. No. What is the topic it wants? What date? What? Oh, all right, learn. There we go. All right, there we go. All right, moderators, we should be coming up on all the things. Let me know. But yes, again, the super trend, right? It's just another nice indicator giving you a beautiful picture of is it, going in your favor or not. But I don't put all the weight into it. But if you guys look at my 6-star trade, my super trend is inside of that, right? So I am using that as one of the definitives because if you listen to my 6-star trade, one of them is it going in the right direction, right? Is the momentum. Well, guess what? That super trend trigger will show you that it is going, in fact, in that, right? So speaking of that, we have the new TradingView indicators getting ready to be released. The guys keep doing like 50 different updates a day to it. I'm like, can we get to a stop point at least so we can release it? Every day it's like 16 more add-ons and changes and tweaks and tunes. I'm like, can we at least push this out so people can start testing it? So we're real close to that. Diamond members, you guys are going to get exclusive access to it immediately just because you will be able to help us test it, find different little bugs and do the things, but Diamond memberships have its privileges. Speaking of Diamond memberships, should we run a sale on that today or are we good? I know all my moderators are going to say, yes, please, coach.
No, not today. Give me like another week.
I know all my moderators are going to say, yes, please, because I'm doing profit sharing this month. If we reach a certain goal, every moderator, including anybody that's helping on the staff, was going to get a $500 bonus for every single person that is in here. And by the way, that's almost 20 people we're going to do a $500 bonus for. In case you guys are wondering why I've been packing all these super sales, I'm trying to put money in their pockets. I'll let the moderators decide. Moderators, you want to run a sale today or no? Talk to me.
Cricket noise.
All right. No sale today then. No sale today. Moderators, you guys will have to work it out on your own. Try to get that bonus then. You want the coach to do it. It's all on you.
I just had to pick myself back up from the floor because I fainted knowing that you did that. Give me a break.
Yeah, I did. I told him for the next 2 months. I don't normally try to do that just because it can make some weird animosity. It gets really weird if you start doing a price target with incentives. It can get weird, but I'm just trying to show them, like, listen, this is what we can really do. When I turn on the machine, this is what can really be done. And I just wanted more participation. Therefore, right, I was going to give away $20,000. That's what I had earmarked in bonuses. So it is what it is. They can either make it or not.
I can tell you, Coach, if people think you're only thinking about yourself, man, are they wrong.
Yeah, I'm always trying to look for ways and creatives and, all that stuff. Oh, and I forgot to tell Mark I gave him a raise. Again. Yeah, I know. I see it, Bruno. No worries. I got you.
That's okay. He'll figure it out in a few weeks when he gets paid.
Yeah, he will. Because he's really stepped it up. He's always there when I need him. So what was happening is, just so you guys know, is he's already on the payroll, right? But he would always cover for me. He's here the same time that I am now, right? Because he's doing the future stuff. But the fact that I never had to say anything and he was just like, I'll just take it. I got it. To me, that's everything. That's why he's, making bucket loads of cash now. Because if I don't need to think about it and I have people that step up and do their jobs, they will get money hand over fist. They don't need to ask me for raises and all. If you're doing the job and you're phenomenal at it, you will get paid more than anybody else has ever been paid doing what you're doing ever, period, point blank. That's it, right? It's the way it should be. So I think he's already gotten 3 or 4 raises since he just started doing this. But anyways, that's how it should be. That's how it should be in business. I'm always thinking about everybody, right? I want the best team members that you can possibly get. Some people are motivated with money, some people aren't, right? Some people want praise, some don't. So I try to make sure that I give everybody, I hope, what they're looking for, give them the right tools to succeed. And it's just like when I was running all my other businesses, and I used to tell my guys and gals all the time, if you are in a job where you are staring at the clock, waiting to punch the clock to leave for the day, you're at the wrong job or you have the wrong boss, right? If every day you're waiting for that 4 or 5 o'clock bell to ring and you're standing there ready to hit the damn, I got to get out of here, it's the wrong job or you have the wrong boss. Am I right? You should love what you do. Now, obviously, work is work, and sometimes you just want to get the hell out of work. I understand that. But if every day feels like a grind, that's not a good environment, right? It needs to be fun and loving and do the things. And when you put in suggestions, they should be heard. They're not always going to be followed because I am not a yay. I am a business first, but I want to hear those suggestions. I want to know what you guys think. If it makes sense and I break it down, right, analytically through 80 different points and crap that I use in my head, and this doesn't make sense and all the things, that's what we want, right? So this is why I've tried to create, again, like I always have, one of the best companies you could ever work for in the country. And that's what I hope the people that work here, I hope that's what you guys feel. So I want you guys to know, again, why I say thank you every day, because you are appreciated. Everybody here is appreciated, whether you are a free member, whether you are paid, whether you are a training moderator, whether you are, just monitoring some of the social stuff, whether you just write down, the pre-market in the morning, whatever your job is, if you, just open the screen for us to allow people to, be able to watch what we're doing. Like everybody that's here is important. I want you guys to know that everything we do, I'm trying to do for the betterment of all of us. So when I make decisions, when I do price changes, when I add new services, right, I'm always thinking like, what can we do? Is it not going to dilute one service? Is it going to affect something else? Are people going to be upset if we do one thing and not the other? Have you guys noticed I've never taken away a product or service from anybody ever once I said you're in? Right? My OGs, the OG lifetime members still to this day get pre-market setup, the IPO center, Zoom starting at 8:45, right? Every single day.
Hey,
right?
Coach, sorry to interrupt you.
Hot stock picks, right? You guys still get everything every day, regardless if you paid $500 for a lifetime membership or not. Yeah, go ahead.
Man. This is Rodney, money in my pocket. I was the first one that won the lifetime membership, and I've been hanging in there with you ever since.
That's awesome. That's phenomenal. Well, thank you for being here, man. I appreciate you. That's so cool. Yeah. Speaking of giveaways, right? And I know we don't talk about it a lot, but with the discounts that we do, the giveaways that we've done, the monies that we've raised, all sorts of stuff. We have done over $2 million. Those of you in the back, right? Those of you that are worried or wondering, what is American Dream Trading all about? We've done over $2 million in either some sort of discount, sale, giveaways. I mean, I've given away hundreds of lifetime memberships, and I mean hundreds of lifetime memberships, right, in the last 2 years and 8 months. So we are always, always, always trying to think about our community and our members first, right? I told you guys, like I could seriously ride off into the sunset now. This business is all set up. I've got everything in place. This is now able to function without me. As you guys see, if I need to take a day off, this business as usual. I could take 6 months off. It's business as usual now. This is the place that I wanted to get us to for the last 2 years and 8 months. The fact that I can go, you know what? I need to take a day off. Boom. We're still rocking and rolling. That is what we've been looking for to get to, and we are there, right? But I always want to make sure we are growing, going in a positive direction. All right. So, anyways, that's a little bit of a business back end. I'm always thinking about you guys. I am, right? So, whatever we do, and like the same thing. If you guys have suggestions, open up a ticket. We'd love to hear your suggestions. You want to change some names of channels or add some services? Man, I'm all ears, right? I am all ears. I am always ready to listen to any ideas you guys have. Again, I might say no, but that's because I've been doing this forever. It doesn't mean it's a bad idea. Maybe we can't implement it now. Maybe it's something we can in the future. Maybe if we do it now, it's going to create too many processes and or procedures. That's going to, create extra work for management and all the things. I don't know, but if there's a way and it makes sense, you bet your bottom dollar we'll add it. Look at the right when David brought to me the whole live Apple chat, and I was like, oh, I don't know. I'll be honest with you. When we first started talking about it, that's why it's still in beta. I was like, ugh. Now some of you are like, well, that doesn't make sense because it's such a great program and it works so great, right? So if somebody came up to you with that 2-minute EWO channel idea, wouldn't everybody in the room go, that's an awesome idea. Let's do it now, right? Wouldn't you? Open your mics. You can talk. You would though, right? You would say, yeah, that's an amazing idea. Am I right?
Oh, it is amazing.
Absolutely. Absolutely, Coach.
Right.
Absolutely.
Yeah.
Right. But on the business back end, the things that you don't think about, what if David is gone? Right? What happens to the 2-minute EWO channel? Do you see where I have to think of everything all the time from a business standpoint, right?
Well, you're stuck with me.
I know it, but these are the things, right, in the back of my mind when we're like, hey, let's do this. And I'm always like, well, wait a minute. What if? And how can we? And what, so it's not that I would just say no. I would say, okay, with the idea of if something happens, we got to do something with it. Yeah, David, you're awesome. I'm not worried about it, but think about it. God forbid something happens to you, right? Knock on wood. I don't want, obviously, I mean, we would all be in hell. It would be terrible. You know what I'm saying? But
well, my daughter's right behind me, and she's actually kicking my ass in the 2-minute EWO. So,
oh, well, good. Well, good. There you go. So when we retire you, right, in 40 years, then we'll have her doing it. That's awesome. So anyways, but we're always thinking here. We're always trying to provide the best value and services we can, and we're always looking at the future. So I want you guys to know that. We do not run this like a mom and pop at all. This is an actual legal corporation, has been since the day I started this, right? We make sure everything is on the up and up. When somebody has an issue, we immediately resolve it, always and forever. If you guys got charged when you weren't supposed to, open up a ticket. Something happened, it isn't working, open up a ticket, right? We will take care of you. This is, you guys, I'm sure now, right, can see this is all about integrity, and our word is our bond here at American Dream Trading. This is not some little kid that you're watching at 3 o'clock in the morning, right? You don't see me doing little dances and drinking all night with girls and weird crap. This is the legitimate business here at American Dream Trading, where we take care of each other and we make sure that this is going to be a continued company, hopefully for the next 100 years plus, even when we're all gone, right? So this is what we're building. So thank you guys again for being here. And I am going to run that sale. I want you guys to hit the goal, because I told them if you are 1 cent under goal, you're not getting it, because you need to have goals and you need to achieve the goals. And by the way, we're almost there. They have a week left. If I push this thing, which I'm going to, they will reach the goals and it will put tons of money into everybody's pocket. So right now, if you guys want to get a diamond lifetime membership, I'm going to put the sale on I did yesterday because I want everybody to reach this goal. I want to give all the people that help us an extra $500 bonus at the end of this month. We need to reach this goal. So we're going to run it right now. Bruno, if you would post it. $5,000 one-time payment, Diamond Lifetime, unlimited, all of our member services, including the mentorship, which is $6,000 a year by itself, a year. You guys can get it right now. You'll have access to everything. The premium, VIP, VIP Gold, the futures VIP, futures VIP Gold, crypto VIP, crypto VIP Gold. You guys will get access to the breakout rooms. You guys will get access to weekend training. You get access to all the advanced training videos, all the workshop classes, all the mastermind classes. You will get all of it right now. Go grab it. Bruno, go ahead and post that on all the channels if you would with that link, please. Make sure you
Hey,
guys.
Coach, and those folks out there listening
Yes.
that aren't sure about this, I'm telling you, I am jealous of you guys that are going to get it today. You guys don't know how awesome of an opportunity this is at $5,000. Coach ain't paying me to say this. I'm just not to where I need to be or want to be. You guys get ahead of me. Take advantage of this. Do it. It's awesome. You won't kick yourself in the butt.
Thank you, man. I appreciate that. Yeah, and just so you guys know, that is a $20,000 service. I'm not exaggerating. I sell that for $20,000. We had it on sale for a little bit for $10,000. That is a $20,000 service with over $50,000 worth of services. So some of you are like, oh, that's really expensive. That's obviously not for you. Some of you that have been in here for longer than 2 minutes, you know what a value that is. And you know how fast 5,000 is when we are using our trading strategies, not financial tax or investment advice, results not guaranteed. But you guys understand the difference now being in this room and anywhere else. It is a massive, massive difference. By the way, speaking of that, one of our moderators yesterday made $1.2 million yesterday. Let me repeat that because you guys have never heard anything like this before. And we've done it multiple times, by the way. This is not new for us. $1.2 million. And then when he got done with that, he went over and trained in the mentorship class for me yesterday. So not only the person that's making more money than you've ever heard of in your lives as traders, ever, by the way, and I mean ever, nobody in this room has seen people making $1 million per day, right? We've done it multiple times with multiple people. Not only that, did you see him do it? Then he went over and trained you guys on how to do it. What other community anywhere, I don't care how many YouTube subscribers, how many TikTok followers, I don't care how many courses you can buy, no one is doing what we are doing. No one. I have one main competitor. I have one, and I think he's awesome. He is a momentum trader like myself. I think he's a great human being. I think most people will never be able to use his trading style ever because he's in and out of trades in under like 3 seconds and he does 40,000 shares at a time. Not the point. I absolutely love him. I think he's a phenomenal trainer. Most of my moderators that are making the big bucks have all made more than he has, and he's been doing this for 15 years. My people have been with me less than 3. Right? That has to, and none of them, minus 2 out of the 10 had ever traded before. I need you to think about that for a moment, because he is considered, right, by volume, by the amount of subscribers. He has like 1.5 million YouTube subscribers. He's definitely known in the industry. He's a phenomenal person. I really like him. The people we have here are doing more than he is, who's been doing it for 15 years all day, every day. I need you guys to understand that. So our moderators, right, some of them have made more than the best traders in the world consistently now. So if you think you're not in the right place at the right time, you are sadly mistaken. We train some of the best stock market traders the world has ever seen before. I need you to think about that, right? This isn't, I'm not trying to sell you a bill of goods. I am telling you facts. Some of our moderators in the room and members now are some of the best, the world's top stock market traders. literally in the world. You guys, you all understand that, right? Everybody in
Receipts to
here,
prove it.
yeah, everybody in here type in a 1. Everybody that's watching me for free, type in a 1 right now. Let me know you can hear me. I'm being dead serious. Nobody does this. I'm seeing all the gurus and furus out there talking about they're the greatest traders in the. No, you're not. Not even close. Right? I mean, not even close. I've got another moderator right now who's closing in on $1 million. Never traded a day in his life before. Right? Ever.
It's because they're humble too, because they
is.
came from where we came from,
That's
from
right.
nothing.
And
they understand and they know
that's what
to
the
put in.
beauty of. The beauty of this is everyone was trained here, right? The tools, what we're doing, it was all here. Every person I'm talking about was trained right here, nowhere else. They didn't come with this expertise. Otherwise, they wouldn't be here, right? Every one of them was trained here. And by the way, the person that's on target right now to make $1 million started that with a $700 account 5 months ago. Let me repeat that. A $700 account 5 months ago. He's closing in on almost 700K right now. You understand what I'm telling you guys? This is what I'm talking about. So again, and I posted it this morning, that some of you, right, you won't spend 4 or 5 years developing this skill, but you'll sit there, right, and have the patience to work your 9-to-5 job for the next 30, 40, and 50 years, right? I need you guys to concentrate right now on this beautiful Friday that the Lord has blessed us with to be here another day. Are you going to take advantage of this training? Now, listen, you don't need to buy anything. You can start for free. I'm not telling you go buy anything. I'm not talking about my sales. Don't worry about the sales stuff. That'll sell itself. You'll either want it or you won't. But I'm talking about in general, right now. Do you want to work that 9-to-5 job the rest of your freaking life? Do you want to retire barely making it? Do you want to just collect Social Security and wonder how you're going to make ends meet? Is that what you want? Is that really your life? Is that how you're going to die? That's it, right? Are you telling me that's it? That's all you want for yourself? You just want to barely make it and hope you can survive the rest of your life? Are you kidding me? I started this because I didn't want that for any of you. You guys know, some of you know my backstory. I came from nothing, and I mean nothing. No education, no support, no compass of any kind, no direction, no leadership, no parental figures. Do or die. That was it. I did not want that life for myself, and I swore I would do whatever it took to get myself out of there. And then I had a family, and I swore and made sure no matter what, I was working 7 days a week, all day, every day, forever, to make sure my family never had to have a need, or I can't say a want because we were still broke as hell, but there wasn't like worrying about clothes and food and things I never got, right? So today, you can make a choice. You can either continue to do what you are doing, and you already know the path that you're on. You already know. If you don't change your life, what does it look like 5, 10, 15, 20 years from now? You're going to have that same job, still trying to get those same little 1 to 3% raises. Most of you will not have a retirement, and you will have to live on Social Security. 95% of this room will not retire with $100,000 or more in their accounts. How are you supposed to live? There is no such thing as retirement anymore unless you get a federal job or a government job, right? There is no such thing really as retirement unless you got lucky into some, good union job or, something that's going to be able to help you out. But still, even then, I watched my grandfather, right? All my family members, by the way, all union, all retire from the shop, all the things, right? You're like, oh, that's a lot of money. Not when you don't do the right things with it. But my grandfather retired, right, from the V8 plant in Flint, right? At the end, when he passed, he was still making the same amount of money that he had retired 30 years before. It was like $850 a month, gang. So he had to have Social Security plus his retirement and still was barely making it. I was paying his bills, by the way, at the end, and I wasn't really making tons of money, but I wanted to make sure they were okay. But I need you to understand that even with retirement, that gets locked in. You don't keep getting raises on your retirement. That's supposed to last you 30 years. So while it was great then, and 10, 15, 20, 30 years from there, it ain't nothing anymore. So I want you guys to think about it. We got 3 minutes to the bell. You're either going to change your life. This will affect like 2 people. 2 people in this room will get what I'm saying today. I've trained people my whole life. I wish to God I could reach more. 2 of you will listen to me today. 2 of you will simply change your life, and you will start to listen. And you will be here now every day. You will tune in. You will start to get educated. You will start to understand what's going on, and you will change your life. 2 of you out of the hundreds of thousands today that will come through this room. 2. Well, guess what? If I get 2 of you, I did my job today. Right? This ain't about making money today. This is about helping people. I want people to understand you have an opportunity you will never get the rest of your life. How many of these little rooms do you guys see that open up? I always hear, oh, there's a Discord every other day opening up. No one in there has the experience that we do. No one in there, right, is doing what we're doing. I had Bruno show me one yesterday. The guy's charging more than we are and has no services at all, doesn't do anything, right? It's crazy what's out there. You guys, I'm telling you right now, you're in the right place at the right time with the right people to change your life. So let's rock and roll. I got 1 minute. I'm going to fly through this. I want to thank all my moderators. Thank you to Bruno, Don Miranda, Unhappily Housewife, Eric's Moto, David, Mark, Palm Coast, Ange, Richard, Doug, Bucko, Chris, Eminem, Mountain Man, Nick, Gilly, Diesel, Dan. Thank you to all my military family, anybody that's serving or that has served. Appreciate you. 1 minute to the bell. Thank you to all of my first responders, firefighters, police officers, teachers, doctors, nurses, and all my truck drivers around the world. There it is. Thank you. Listen, if you guys are interested seriously in joining us, free, paid, doesn't matter. Go to AmericanDreamTrading.com, click on pricing or scroll down. You will see right there, join the Discord for free. You must verify your account within 24 hours or it will kick you off the system. So make sure you click the button, follow the little email. It's one button that says verify. It's to let us know you're a human being. Remember, we will never reach out to you, friend requests, send you direct messages, none of that. If you need support from us, help desk ticket only, which you will find under the ADT free access. It says help desk support. 15 seconds to the bell. Today, I will be trading futures again. Again, remember, small position sizes. Small position sizes today. Everybody follow the rules. Let's have an amazing day. And again, thank you all for being the best part of American Dream Trading. Love your faces. Let's rock and roll. All right, let's get this party started. SPY to the upside, Q to the upside. Apple starting to get a nice bounce here, trying to break above that 200 on the 2 minute. Starting to get a nice move. SPY is above our pre-market setup to the upside. Get in small here. Get that set up. Get something started. Remember, stopped out right away. Minimal amounts of trades today. Okay? Minimal amounts of trades today. Don't go trade crazy on me. Okay, 1 to 5 trades today. Don't do what I just did, which is just get in there right away, having too tight of a stop. Let it work. Do its thing. Look for a good A+ setup and let it roll. Okay? Make sure you guys call out anything if you see it, especially on the first 2 minute EWO indicator. That would help us all out greatly. I want to hear from you.
I got stopped on the 200.
Thank you. All right, so we're looking here. Starting to get a little bit of a pullback. Got in a little early, but I should have let it work. Too tight of a stop. Still to the upside. I just got in and had too tight of a
needs to
stop.
break and hold 547.
Correct. I mean, it still looks good to the upside, but remember, wait that first 30 minutes to an hour if you're a new trader. If you're an advanced trader, wait the first 3 minutes. Don't trade in the first 3 minutes of the day. Don't do what Coach just did. Wait. Let it start to work itself out, okay?
NVIDIA is on the double bottom, as well as Meta.
Thank you.
Amazon 2 minute,
Thank you. Amazon first.
but it's also coming up too. Yeah, it's the first. But
First
it's
2
coming up
minute
on the
EWO
bottom.
Amazon downside. Got it. Thank you. Here we go. Getting a nice pull now on the market. Same thing here. I'm going to enter, see if this will continue to pull. Watch for that 200 right here on the 1 minute. We'll see if we can get this to pull. But so far, pulling, pulling, pulling. Let these work. Can see everything started pulling heavy here to the downside. Nice pull right here. Beautiful pull. Still in that to the downside. That's 1,000 right there. Still in that trade. Taking 2 off. Taking 2 more. 1 left. And if it hits flat, I'll get out. If it pulls again, I'll add.
That's a future UA coach.
That's correct. Yep. I'm out. Out of that trade. Looking for the opportunity again. All right. That's why I got out of that trade when I saw that bounce. All right. Let's see. Apple still to the upside. 2 minute EWO is in effect for Apple to the upside. Looking good. SPY making a nice move here to the upside. Little dab will do you here. SPY with that nice bounce. I'm going to get in here right now. See what we've got. Just a starter. Notice I didn't go heavy on that one. If it runs, I'll add. Just got a little starter position. Sorry if you guys can hear the noise. I've got a cleaning crew at the house today, so if it gets loud, I apologize. Hopefully you guys can't hear all that. Nice. I like that bounce off the 9. I'm going to add. Scooped up 1 off this bounce. Like I said, if it starts to run in my favor, I'll add. Otherwise, I'm just in really small here to see if we're going to get that continuation to the upside. Oh, NVIDIA spiking. Look at NVIDIA to the upside. Q's, upside.
I'm in the queues, baby.
Yes, good job.
Coach, are you trying to record?
I will be now. Thank you for telling me.
Recording in progress.
Appreciate you, because I was not recording. Thank you. All right, SPY upside. I'm going to take a couple off. Looking good. Taking 1 more. Nice. Nice. Beautiful run right there. Taking 1 right here. Right at resistance. Nice. Blew right through it. I love it. Anybody in this with me to the long?
Bet them cheeks, baby.
Taking 1 more. We are up on this little micro double top, so please be careful. Going to protect my trade now. Trade is protected. Looking real nice. It's a free trade. Letting it work. Beautiful trade. See if we can get this continuation run to the upside. If we do, I will add. Otherwise, I'm just protecting my trade right here. Why? Because we're sitting right on my VWAP for ES. Right on my VWAP for ES. So I'm being extra careful.
Well, Coach. Bouncing right off VWAP.
Yep, looking real good. Got a nice bounce. Nice, beautiful bounce. Adding some more. Gonna sell here just because it started to get really heavy at that point. Selling them both. Getting out. Nice trades. Good job, everybody. Anybody make any money off that little run? Nice job.
Apple looks beautiful.
Yeah, Apple 2-minute EWO is just glorious, right?
Yes, sir.
You said hell yeah, brother.
Yes, good job. See if ES and SPY can stay up here on the ceiling. Looking to see if this is support right here now. Still beautiful to the upside. Looking real nice. Apple still staying up nice and tall. NVIDIA, beautiful move to the upside there. Good job. Q's nice and tall. Everything's still looking good. Make sure you guys have your stops in. In fact, I should put mine just as an emergency. A little halt breaker. Still looking good here. SPY still to the upside. Same with the Qs, Apple and NVIDIA. Let me see what Tesla's doing. Tesla, yep. Tesla to the upside as well.
We have Meta and Google to the downside.
Oh, Tesla popping off, gang. Look at Tesla. Tesla making a nice move. Everybody see it? It's glorious. Just waiting here, see if SPY can stay up here. It's going to start to dance around this little area. See if we can get a move through here. Tesla ripping to the upside here. Tesla's now at 263, by the way. Didn't I say to start scooping that up again? What was it? Like, I can't remember the last run. Remember I said fire sale. Hopefully you guys listened. Anybody listen to the old man? Because look at it. It's glorious. Tesla up almost 2%. Launching. Glorious. Who's making money on that?
They all moved over to Tesla.
Yeah, Tesla's just glorious, right? Still waiting on SPY and ES here. It's just consolidating.
Coach Mark said, don't forget the consumer confidence report.
At 10 o'clock. Thank you. Still waiting on this to make a move. Still looking good. It's got plenty of momentum to the upside. Still trying to make a move. Tesla just going for it. Tesla now at 2%. Anybody in those Teslas?
Yes.
Good job.
ESLL.
Thank you. Taking some off the table here. Everybody see how I managed that whole trade? Made money, collected when it was green. To get the shed, I shed a ton of that down to nothing. Now if I still like it, I can, and there it goes, I'm out. There it goes, another successful trade. That's how you do it, right, gang? Beautiful. Waiting, waiting, waiting. Q's still sitting up here nice and tall. Same with SPY, same with Apple, same with NVIDIA. Everything's going to get a little bit of a pullback here. If it starts to pull back below this 21, I will start to short this. Otherwise, the momentum is still to the upside, but I'm looking for a good setup. Waiting patiently. I'd like to see this pull back. This hits this 21. I'm actually going to long it, but I'm waiting to see. Yeah, because this looks like a breathe back. There's the 21. I'll buy one. That's a starter. See if that'll sit up there above it. If not, I'll get out. If it pops, I'll add.
Scalped it down to the 21, see where it goes from there.
Yep, yep. I'll put in a tighter stop here only because if it can't hold that 21, it's going to... Oh, there it went. Too tight. That should have been a little bit lower, but I'm all right. I'll take it. I'll take the $60 loss, but that should have been a little bit lower down here. Still pulling. Oh, this is getting heavier now. Okay. This pulls below right here. I'm going to short this. If this goes below, if you're on SPY, this 546.50, if it can break and hold that to the downside, I'll short it. That was our upper level, our upper channel level earlier. So that is support. Buying the bounce. See if that'll hold. I thought I only bought one. I accidentally bought 5. That means I better put in this circuit breaker. See if we can get this bounce. I meant to only buy one as a starter. Bought too many off that spot. But I'm trading it just like I had one. Looking to see if that's support. If not, though, I'm going to hammer these to the downside. I'll flip that script. Still teetering. Watching Apple. I'm watching to see if the market's going to bounce or not. If not, I'm going to downside it. Twitch, I see you all over there. Good morning. I don't see anybody say anything on Twitch. Wake up, Twitch. I see you. Still looking for the bounce here. If it's going to bounce, it has to be here. That's a nice little bounce. Has it got more? Oh, Apple starting to rip. There goes Apple. Look at that. Beautiful. Who's in that Apple over there?
We're in it 37%.
Good job.
Yes, sir.
Good job. I'm going to lighten this load a little bit. I shouldn't have been in this heavy in this spot. Yeah, Apple crushing it. David loves Fridays, don't you, David? You get those option premiums for cheap.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
It's on a super sale. Just tried to recover. I collected some profit when it popped up here. This, you guys saw me lighten the load on that, right? That's why I collected when we were in the money. That way, if it goes against me, it doesn't take as much. That's how you do it. It's all about risk management, gang. Oh, that just sold off. There it goes. Went the other way, making money. Add more. Taking some off. I'll add if it keeps going. Adding. See if it's got more. Just got to be careful. Watch this right here, this 200 down there. Trying to bounce off that 200. A lot of momentum to the downside here, though. Yeah, this thing wants to flush out here. Yes, there it goes. Nice. I'm going to collect. Collect. Taking one more. All I'm doing is I'm protecting myself on this double bottom. Can you guys see this double bottom right here? It's got downside momentum, but I'm also on a double bottom. So this is why I took all that off in the profit right there, just to protect this level. So now if it does supernova bounce on me, it won't do much, right? I've only got one. Getting out. Just because I don't like it up here above this, I'll wait. Now what I'm looking for, if you guys are over here on SPY, you guys are looking for a break of 545.50 to the downside. If you can get a break and hold down there. Otherwise, we're in a bounce channel right here. You can see all this traffic from before. I'd like to see this break right here and then flush out. Just got to be patient. Anybody see anything going on? It's awful quiet in here today. Why is it so quiet?
Making that money.
All right, good.
We watching the master at work.
Good. I just
Focused, man.
thank you.
Super focused.
All right, I hear you. Oh, somebody took advantage. Daz took advantage of the Diamond Lifetime membership. Congratulations, Daz. Looking for a break right here. Oh, it's nice and heavy. Gotta have this breakthrough. A little more. I'm a quick scalp it, take some off, and then I'll let the rest go, but I've got to wait right here. This is still support. You try to buy those early, you're going to get your face ripped off. You got to be careful here, right? It's going to be quick.
That's right.
Mm-hmm. That's still support, right? Look at how dangerous that would be. Wait for the setup. Lots of chop. Oh, that's better. Come on, push down. Nothing yet. Not touching it. No touchy. That's support. Calls on support. Puts on resistance, right, gang?
Yes, sir.
Oh, this
It's
is
between 545.50 and 200.
yeah, this is a no-fly zone for me in here. None of this. I don't want none of this. Apple, 2-minute EWO gang. You guys are still sitting pretty. I tried to catch this off this pullback of the 9 because it's done it 4 times in a row. Did you guys see it? There it goes. That's nice. I'll take it. Did you guys see that? 1600. That was nice.
Same for Meta, downside all day.
Yep. Did everybody see what I did? I hit that off that 9 and just got in at the right time and then let it go.
That's one card.
Yep, taking it. See if it's got more. Come on, baby, you got more. I loved it below this level. Below that SPY, below 540, 550, right? Isn't that where I said? That was beautiful, right? We're on the lower area of that channel, though. See if it's got more. We still got 7 minutes before shift change. 7 minutes. Oh, yeah, this is still really heavy. Took it all. Why? You guys see this spot? Support. See this? So now I'm waiting for the next setup. Beautiful trade, though. Now I'm looking to see if this is going to bounce here. That's why I got all the way out. I only had a little bit of wiggle room. Did anybody get in on that short, a SPY at 540, 550? Anybody get in that with me?
I did, Coach.
Good job.
Yes.
Nice work. And this is a shedding point, right? Because I already said that support. Okay.
I picked up 2 above support.
Good job. Good job. By the way, what you guys are seeing right now, Diamond members are going to have access to this from all of our moderators. Anybody that, any of our moderators that are trading live. This was a new service that we've got coming out. This is our American Dream Trading TV. You guys will be able to just watch us actually trade. It's not going to be for training purposes. We're not going to be talking you through it, but you're going to watch us trade in real time. When any of our moderators come in to trade, you'll get to see it in real time. I hope you guys are excited about that, Diamond members.
Oh, yeah, Coach.
We've never done that before.
You can just call it ADTV.
It is. It's going to be ADT TV. Yep. You got to add the extra T in there. Otherwise, it'd be kind of weird.
You gotta put the extra T. Come on.
I got it. Just got to do it.
ADTV is like, it could be ADT Vision.
Right.
Yeah.
Look at that. Now, did I save anybody's butt when I said down here on this support? Huh?
Yep. Thanks.
Yep. Do you see why I got all the way out right there?
Yes, sir. I got all the way out too. Appreciate
You're a
that.
genius.
Nice job.
Your favorite trades, Coach? Double top, double bottom.
Absolutely. Good job if you guys took advantage of that. Now, right here could be a small pullback. Real small. Little dab will do ya. But if it's going to do it, it's going to be in this little, there it goes. Boom. I'll take it. 500 more. Did you guys see that? Bet your ass. You want to know why? Resistance. Doesn't mean it's going to bounce and then continue to drive, but me as a scalper, I can take advantage of those quick areas, right? Make a quick $500 in under 1 second, right? Very nice. It's glorious. You guys are all in the right place at the right time. Glad to have you all in here. Don't forget, get that diamond membership, 5K today. Do it now. It's Friday, super sale. You will kick yourself in the butt. And by the way, those total diamond memberships, I only am selling 100 of them. When they're gone, they're gone. So enjoy it. All right here, still getting this pullback. Did anybody else scoop this up off this resistance level up here to the downside? That was glorious. It's a nice
Don't
setup.
forget, 2 to 3 minutes.
All right, good call. Yep, 2.5 minutes. Right here, looking for this break. If we break down here again, so SPY, it's going to be this 544.72. We're going to break down there. That'll be short again. You can see it right there. That's a double bottom on the pre-market. Says 544.64. So right around that area, that is the double bottom in the pre-market. Everybody see it right here? Okay, so if it breaks that, so what you got here is an inverted cup and handle, right? It's a full inverted cup and handle.
RTC up penny stock is moving up on news, up 74%.
Oh, nice. Thank you. Good call out.
And coach, with that shift change, there's also this Michigan inflation data coming out at the same time.
Right. It's going to be it's going to be a topsy-turvy, weird event. Now, listen, some of you will be able to take advantage of this event if it has a lot of volatility. You guys can do a straddle or a strangle, which is buy calls and puts with the same strike price and the same expiration date, allowing the runner to run and cut out the loser, right? That way, if it runs one way or the other, you can take advantage of it. Only works if there's a lot of volatility. Typically with news, there's a lot of volatility. So we'll see what it does. Typically that Michigan one, though, doesn't have a lot of weight, but who knows? We'll see. Somebody might get on the TV at the exact same time and do something crazy to the market. You guys will see what I like to do, which is what I always like to do just before 10 o'clock. I will place a trade, a call, or a put with a tighter stop. That way, if it does go my way, I'll make a lot of money. And if it doesn't, I'll lose barely any money at all. Make sense? I always like doing that at 10 o'clock. It's like my little mini lotto at 10 o'clock.
If change 30 seconds.
Thank you. So since we're on a double bottom, this should bounce. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to buy one call, basically upside. It's just called a buy on the futures, but I'm going to buy one and I'm going to put a stop just below here, 5 seconds. Placing it now. Confirm. There it is. And I'm covered. There it goes. Sold it, made money. I didn't let it super run because I had too much crap was messing up on my screen, but do you guys see right there? Just a real quick lotto. Boom. Oh, I made, yeah, okay. I was going to say I only made $100 on that trade, but $100, right? Just like that. There it goes. Nice dice. Nice, nice. Anybody else get in that? That's beautiful. Move your stops up now. That way you're covered. Beautiful. Double bottom bounce. Oh my gosh, that's nice. Anybody else get in that with me? That's nice. But do you see what I had there, right? I had a very small risk with realistically unlimited upside. I could have just let it go forever, but I was just getting kind of a mess up. I don't know what was going on in there, but I didn't want that to mess up the trade. Right? So just a minimal risk, unlimited upside. Look at it run. So if you guys would have did that call with me in real time, everybody's up now, right? Anybody get in it?
Oh, yeah. Still in it.
Nice. Beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. Where is, hold on, bear with me. That's what I'm missing. Good job. Looks like somebody else just scooped up the Diamond Lifetime membership. I'll mention you in just a moment. Nice job. Make sure you guys are controlling that trade. Shed as it goes. Collect the profits. Don't try to be a hero. Right? Take some off. That's why I love that 50, 20, 20, 10, right? And you guys see me, even with my just me shedding, I do the same thing, right? 50, 20, 20, 10. I like to collect as it goes. Don't have to hold it forever. That's usually when it'll go against you, right? And then you'll be like, oh, it went red. It was green. So don't do that. Just collect. You guys got this. Nice. Thank you, TikTok. Appreciate all of you being here. You get to 300 concurrent viewers today, TikTok. I'll do a giveaway for you. Right here, I'm waiting now to go long 546.50. I'll do it again. Otherwise, those of you that scooped up that double bottom, remember I said that was an inverted cup and handle. It held the support, bounced back to the upside. Hopefully you guys went in that long and you guys made money. So basically it was a triple bottom at that point. Good job though, right? Double bottom just consolidated in this area. Had a nice bounce, move to the upside. Good job. Oh, that was Craig. Congratulations, Craig. Craig's been with us a long time. Good job, Craig.
Thank you, sir.
Yeah, absolutely. You've been with us a long time, haven't you?
Yeah, I had the original lifetime membership.
Oh,
At like
nice.
$7.50.
$7.50. Was that the best $7.50 you ever spent in your life? Lie to me.
Oh yeah, definitely.
Day.
I bought the diamond, so I guess it was.
Yeah, absolutely. Yeah, yeah. Thank you. I appreciate that. Thank you so much.
Thank you.
So right here, this is that pullback. So right up here, right? This is that resistance. Everybody collect up there when I said yes? Okay, great.
The same exact thing happening in Apple. We
I
had that
see
bounce
that.
up, and then we
Yeah.
collected on that big spike.
Yep. Yeah, it's the same thing. And then you guys hit the double top over there, right?
Yep.
Yep.
Able to sell one of my contracts up there at about 50%.
Oh, nice.
Had 3 runners left
Nice.
out of my original 41.
Oh, you did go heavier. Okay, good, good. Got to take advantage of those super sales, right?
Yes, sir.
I love that. David loves it because, as you guys may or may not know, when you're buying options on Friday, if it's the same day expiration, you can get them for pennies on the dollar. So it's extremely cheap to get into the same at the money options you would have got on Monday, right? It's going to be like a 10th of its cost. It's beautiful. Super sale. Just like the Diamond Lifetime membership, it's a super sale.
Okay.
Coach, while you're
Yes.
doing what you're doing, Elizabeth over on TikTok says she was a lifetime member. How do I recover my account?
Let's see. Great question. All you need to do is go back over to our website, americandreamtrading.com. Join the Discord again. Try to key in your email information. If you have a problem, though, you can email us support@americandreamtrading.com. But we can help you. Just try to recreate. You have to re-log back in on the website. Okay? Thank you for reaching out. We're glad to have you back. Welcome back. Good job.
Thank you, sir.
Yes, yes. Thank you for letting me know. Nice, nice. Take advantage. Super sale today, gang. I'm just waiting on this. You can see the channel now. We have it drawn out exactly in this channel. This is that 546.50 to 545.50. You see the channel that it's bouncing in? And we already had this drew out before it got here, didn't we? What do you know?
Coach, Tesla just launched it to the upside.
Oh, good. Let's take a peek. Oh, yeah, it's glorious. I told you guys Tesla's about to go crazy, right? I told you. I'm telling you, and I told you. It's amazing. Not financial tax or investment advice, but I told you it's got a lot of beautiful giant catalysts coming up. All right, here we go. I'm ready to scoop this up. Nice momentum. Nice momentum. Nice momentum. Nice momentum. Beautiful. Boom. Just made another
120% on Tesla, coach.
Oh, good job. Just made another $400 on that trade, by the way. Great job, partner. Nice. There's that pop. Did anybody go long above 546.50 on SPY?
Yes, I did.
Thank you. Thank you. Moderators, you'll be happy to know since I opened that sale up again. You guys are getting closer and closer and closer to every single moderator in the room getting a $500 cash bonus. Must be nice. I super sale it all, and then money pours into you, into your souls.
Thank you, Coach. You're the
Yes.
best.
Very nice. Coach, run a sale like that every day. I hear you.
Blessed to be here.
Yeah, I hear you guys. Crazies. Let me see where we're at. We're getting close. Let me look. Oh, yeah, we're real close. We sell enough of those today. You guys will hit gold today. We're real close, moderators. You guys are all about to get a ginormous freaking payday. Keep going. Talk about it. Help them out. Oh, there went another one. Dwayne, longtime member too. Dwayne just scooped up the Diamond Lifetime. Look at this run. Oh, this is glorious. Who's in this?
Still in it.
Oh, it's nice. Boom, just made another 400. Glorious. Nice job, gang.
It's going to try to retest a double top on SPY.
Yep, I'm seeing it. That's why I got in and out of there. Who's still in that? You guys all should have scooped that up on the break of 546.50 to the upside, right?
Yeah, and Tesla. Oh my gosh.
Anybody? That was the trade, right? Anybody? Bueller? Bueller?
You bet that man cheeks, Coach.
Yes. Thank you. Double top. Careful. Right now.
I don't know if there was only one place you get a diamond membership and all the training you could ever want for the rest of your life. You know what I'm saying?
Is
Awesome.
Tesla's going to stop? I mean, look at
It's
that
not.
monster.
It's not. Everybody's in that Tesla long, right? Making tons of money. Yes.
I am, Coach. I'm up 215%.
Oh my.
Oh my
gosh.
God.
Yes. Yes. Holy crap. Moderators were so close to goal. I told you we could hit this goal. Keep going. Oh, there's another one sold. Oh, never mind. Never mind. That was somebody just bought a premium membership. Welcome. Wasi, make sure that you link your Discord to that account. You're going to get an email. Make sure you link the account. If you need help, raise your hand or let us know anywhere and we'll take care of it for you, okay? Yeah, I'm watching right here. Everybody be very careful. This is a double top on SPY. Do you hear the sound of my voice? If I wasn't over here trying to sell, I would be trading it. This is why, right, that ADT TV is going to be amazing where you can watch us trade, because I wouldn't be talking. I would be making money, right? Look at that. Hit this double top, pulled back to VWAP, bounced right back up in this area again. Oh, look at this. Getting a, oh my gosh, that's glorious. Glorious. Checking news.
NVIDIA looks nice.
Yeah, Nvidia and Tesla pushing so high right
They
now.
are. Look at the Qs. Look at SPY. Everything. It's funny. I just saw a chat board that said, "Why is Tesla running like this?" I've been telling you why Tesla's going to run like this. If only they were at American Dream Trading, they wouldn't be scratching their heads, would they? Be like, well, we know why. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you. Remember, 300 concurrent viewers today. We'll do a giveaway. Thank you for those gifts, Philip, Nat, Ray. Thank you for all those gifts over there on TikTok. I appreciate it. That does help the algorithm. Thank you for being here. Real quick, it's 10:15. Has anybody made any money yet? Open your mics. Let the world know if you have. Tell me.
Yes, sir.
Thank you.
You know it.
Mhm.
Yeah,
Hell yeah.
Mhm.
Hell yeah.
Absolutely. Accounts up 40%.
5% total account.
What the? Somebody say 40% on an entire account? What the hell?
No, 5%, coach.
No, just before you, 40%.
Yeah, that was me, coach. I'm up 40%.
Oh my gosh. Love your face. Congratulations.
2.8% on account.
Oh my. Loving it. Loving it. Oh, look
This
at
slide
this.
is like going bazooka.
It is.
Crazy. And Apple is not playing nice. Apple's the only one pulling.
That is correct. I just scooped that up on that pull right there for another $400. You guys catch that? That was dangerous because I only had till VWAP. I had from, let me show you. I had from here to here, and I made $400 in that spot. Did you guys see it? Just like that. But I knew I had to get the heck out of there quick because that was the bounce zone. Tesla continuing to climb. Tesla now up 4%. New high a day. Congratulations without. Just got the Diamond Lifetime membership. You're not going without. You have all of the membership services today and in the future. Congratulations to you. Nice job. Tesla continuing to rip to the upside. Who's in that?
Congratulations on that diamond.
Yes.
I am, coach, for sure.
Oh, nice job.
Nice trade, coach.
Good to
I got
see you.
scared and sold my options for 100% profit. Wish I wouldn't have done that yet.
Hey, that's not a bad deal though, right? 100%?
Hey, that's pretty good scary chicken right there.
Yeah, that's amazing. Good job. Congratulations to you. Look at that, moderators. I just posted. Look how close you are to goal. You guys are all about just got paid. It's Friday night. Come on. You guys are about to get super paid. Super. Oh, look at this. Buy heavy here. Ooh, it's tempting me. I'm going to wait.
Tesla's gonna pull. It's gonna take SPY with it, I think.
Yeah, Tesla's got so much momentum still to the upside, 4% up. But yeah, I can see the market is teetering a bit. It's all right. We're all still making money. Anybody making any money? Huh?
Yeah.
Nice, nice. I've just been doing these real quick little in and outs. I'm up $2,800. Just quick.
M2K is brutal, waiting on a 2-minute setup.
Oh, nice. Look at this pull right here on SPY. Let's see how heavy that is on the vine right here. Look at this little spot.
It's like low-hanging fruit for you.
It's just, there it goes. I'll take it. That's 300 more.
The double top on SPY was beautiful.
Yep.
Daz is just buying up memberships for all his friends and family.
Oh, is he smart, Daz? Yeah, don't forget, if you guys want to scoop that up as a gift, open up a ticket. We will allow you to do that. If you want to gift those, absolutely. We've had several people do that now. You want to change somebody's life in a real, actual, impactful way, give them a lifetime of training to something. It doesn't have to be us, but, right? It's amazing. Look at that nice little pop off of the 21. Doing. Got in.
Apple finally put a green candle.
Yep, I see it.
Boy, that Tesla is unbelievable today.
It is. Almost 4.5%. It's glorious. Everybody here was told exactly when to get that, weren't you, gang? Look at that. It was down. That thing was down here at 214 2 weeks ago. 214 2 weeks ago. It's at 270. Remember I told you guys super fire sale? Get it while it's hot. Huh?
Up 100%, coach.
Nice job. Oh my. It's glorious. Glorious. Look at SPY pulling again off that same area. Look at the same exact area I was fighting with, right? Same spot, yes? Over and over, same spot right there.
Yeah, the double top, it's like, nope.
Yep, it's trying.
548. It's gonna be everything.
Yeah, I'm watching this 21 here on my ES. It looks like it's the same for SPY. If it pulls here on SPY, you'll get that pull down to that 546.50. But there's not enough meat on the bones there. Don't try to short this here yet. Everybody hear the sound of my voice?
Yeah, waiting.
Listen, don't even think about shorting this if you're in SPY until break and hold below 546.52. I'll mark it now. Okay. That's where you can look at shorting it as a possible strategy. If you guys are looking at ES, it's going to be below this 5508. Same drill over here. Do not even think about it until it breaks that level. Just because all of this could bounce right back, and you don't want to be trying to short this, right? Because right now, this is kind of topsy-turvy, right? You got right here is basically you had a cup and handle retest pullback, and this is why you're getting this downside. Right here, that's where I'll look at shorting it. Small position here. A minute. I've only got a little bit of a ride down here, so it's not a ton of room, but I'm in super tiny, right? Small position size on that one. Oh, did the margin changed today? It looks like drastically, huh?
You keep messing with it, Coach.
I see that. It's a crazy difference today, isn't it?
Yeah, on the micro for ES, it's gone up $700 on the initial.
Yeah.
And about 50 some odd dollars on the intraday.
Yeah, it's wild.
It's the fourth time they've done it.
Yep.
This week.
Yeah, it's crazy. It's just because of the volatility.
Mm-hmm.
Nice. Did anybody make money on that? That was a nice trade.
Oh yeah, you bet them cheeks.
Beautiful trade. Nice. Good job. Now up 4,000 for the day. Oh, that's a bounce spot. Tighter stop. Tighter. Oh, it won't let me. It's not letting me move my stop. I hate it when it does that. So I got to leave it. Oh, that's beautiful. Look at that trade. Oh, my. Beautiful.
Holy schmoly.
See that? Just in that one, just having one in the right place at the right time. I mean, that one is $1,000, right? Just for one. Right place at the right time, just like all of you are in the right place at the right time. Am I right? Good job. I'm just letting this thing go forever now. Bye-bye. Anybody get in that trade with me? I told you to go short. I didn't say to go short, but a good trading strategy is short below 546.50. Did anybody do that with me?
Sure.
Thank you. Nice. I'm now up 4,187 and 14 cents. Mark always has me put in the pennies. He's like, I earned it, damn it. You tell me about the change, right? I hear you.
It's funny because when I post it, I'd say the same thing if I call it out in here. At the end of the day, I tell them blah, 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 and so many cents because it was all mine.
That's right. You worked hard for that, right? Every penny.
Thanks.
Absolutely. So close, moderators. Keep it up. I told my moderators I would do the same thing for them next month, too. So they have another opportunity next month, right, for profit sharing. Oh, it's glorious. It's trying to get everybody on board so I'm not the only person talking about products and services 24/7. You know what I'm saying? I feel like the full-time sales guy. I don't want to be the full-time sales guy, but
Good morning, Coach. I got a quick question. Number one, I can't find the raise hand feature, so I'm sorry for interrupting.
yeah, no worries. Go ahead. It's never a problem. Go ahead.
My situation that I'm in right now, I posted a couple weeks or last week about my daughter and what I've done with you. I really want to get the diamond package, but I can't do it right now because of my present situation. Are you going to be doing that again anytime soon, or?
Well, maybe. Do me a favor. Open up a ticket.
Yes, sir.
Yeah. I'll lock you in on one for like 30 days. Is that cool?
Well, with my present situation, I'm probably about 90, maybe plus days out. I'm going through the divorce right now, so.
Oh, I got you. Okay. All right. No worries. You know what? Open up a ticket and we'll see what we can do at that time because I'll see what I can do. I can almost guarantee, though, in 90 days, like we're not even going to have the diamond anymore because I've only got X amount of those that can be sold, but I'll see what I can do, okay?
I understand.
Yeah.
I've been with you since October of 22, and
oh no, then I'll hold one.
Me.
Yeah, I'll hold one for you. Open up a ticket. I'll hold one for you. You're an OG. I'll hold one.
You help me pay for my daughter's college.
Oh, I remember. Yeah. We'll hold one for you. I got you.
I appreciate it, Coach.
Yep.
Thank you so much.
Yep. No worries. Beautiful. Sorry about the divorce, man. Life sucks. I got you.
Yeah, prayers on the divorce, man.
Yep,
That
absolutely. It does suck. So prayers with you and the whole family, okay?
Guys, I'm much happier.
Oh, good.
Hoorah!
Then it's a good thing.
I'm making a lot more money. I'm concentrating more. I'm studying more.
That's the dirty little secret.
Yeah.
Don't tell anybody
Yeah,
else. There'll be all sorts of
that's the dirty
divorces.
little secret.
Everybody's gonna want one.
Yeah, everybody be cool. Don't tell anybody.
Yeah, it's harder on the kids, but it's a lot healthier. So
Sometimes, for sure.
At least in my situation,
Yep.
I see a lot of that more and more every day. So I'm
Yep.
sorry, I don't need to step on anybody.
You're all right.
That happens to be on the other side. Sorry.
You guys would be
Well-
surprised how many people are going through divorces that I know about right now.
My
Everybody
daughter's 18.
messages me.
She was accepted at USF. I'm
All
proud of
right.
That's awesome. Good stuff.
Absolutely.
Yeah, that's beautiful.
that. And you helped me pay for her college.
Oh,
San
that's
Francisco
awesome.
or Florida?
Tampa, Florida.
Oh,
Right
wow.
on.
Beautiful. Well, good job, man. Good job. So that was money
Thank
well
you.
spent on that life. You probably got a lifetime membership back in the day in October, right?
Yes, sir.
What'd you pay? $750 for it? 1,000?
No, sir. No, I paid.
500?
I can't remember. I know
It
as
was
soon as you
500 back then.
Yeah, I think it was 500.
I know as soon as you release the gold, I
Yep.
jumped immediately on the gold, and I really want the diamond. I just can't justify that in front of
No, I get it.
you know who.
Yeah, I get it. I trust me. I fully understand. Well, thank you, man, and I'm glad it worked out, and I'm glad you're still here, and you did the things and you listened. That was the biggest thing. Have you ever traded before you came here? By the way, in October.
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
So you
And
had
I lost my
experience.
shirt millions of times.
Oh wow! And then you got here and that changed.
Yes, sir. I started with a $500 account, just did stocks. First year, I paid for year one of my daughter's college, and it's just been going up since.
That's awesome. Did you guys hear that? How beautiful is that? Proof's in the pudding, right? Good job.
Yes, sir. Thank
Congratulations,
you.
man.
Thank you.
Getting out of that trade. I don't like the way it double bottomed out here. Good job. All right, where are we at? All right, just gave some
Yeah,
back.
they don't want that.
Nope.
They definitely don't want that wife getting that diamond membership in the divorce.
Yeah, I'm gonna split that with you. No.
Nah.
Hey, Bob, bear with me real quick. My wife, by the way, made me this big old giant loaf of cinnamon bread, and my stomach's growling. So bear with me. I gotta eat a little bit so my stomach will calm down. So I'm gonna mute my mic so you don't hear me slobbering all over like a freak. Give me a minute.
See, that's the reason why not everyone's divorced.
Yeah, if they keep you fat and happy, right?
Indeed.
Oh, and bang, bang. Without those two, out of here.
Cinnamon bread, you're supposed to put butter on it and melt it.
Hey,
Warm it up.
Coach, can you repeat that in front of her?
Nope. It
Hey,
is.
Coach,
I got.
are you still losing weight?
It is. Yeah. Oh yeah. Yeah. I still got butter on it. Yeah. I'm still a healthy 180. Absolutely.
Cool. Congratulations. As you stuff your face.
With bread.
Boy, that Tesla's a gift that keeps on giving, Clark.
It really is. It's beautiful.
That cinnamon raisin bread you can buy from the store, Coach. Put it in the toaster for just a few seconds, just to barely crust it up, and then put some butter on it to melt it. Oh my God.
Dude, my wife is a crazy baker. Look at this. This is what she made. This. Oh crap! I'm spilling it everywhere. This is what she made. She made a homemade cinnamon bread. I don't know if you guys can see it, but homemade cinnamon bread. She brought a whole damn loaf up here when I was in the VIP training this morning. I'm like, what am I supposed to do with all that? Oh gosh, it's all over my desk.
Ice breaking, dumping.
Oh my gosh, it's all over my computer.
Cinnamon bread used to be my stage name when I used to dance.
Oh boy, here we go. Cinnamon. His stage name was Cinnamon. Oh boy.
Sergio. Oh, you
boy.
Sergio.
Oh boy.
That's funny.
You said double bottom.
Cinnamon bread, you're wanted on stage 1.
Nice. Cinnamon bread. Nice. Oh my gosh, you guys, I'm going to have to clean this whole keyboard. Literally, I got nothing but breadcrumbs everywhere now from the side opened when I turned it to show you. Oh my gosh. I made a
Yeah,
mess.
tell that to tech support.
Oh my gosh. Terrible.
My tea that I was drinking was just sprayed all over 4 monitors.
Oh
Thanks,
no.
cinnamon bread.
Oh no. Oh
Then
boy.
we'll sell that keyboard and get a new one, Coach.
All right, we're back. Okay. All right, let's see what we got.
Look at Tesla.
Oh, I know. If only there were one place you could go, right? That would have told you that Tesla's just going to scream to the moon. I wonder where that place would be. Huh. Weird. Crazy.
I'd put money on it to be right here. Just saying.
Yep. Some of you guys are making fat loots off of that. Oh, here we go. Nice push right here on SPY on this double bottom bounce. Q's did the same thing.
Yeah, it looks like the market is starting to go a little bit.
Yeah, I'm looking to see if anything's going on. Just see if I can trade off of
Just
some
NVIDIA and
news.
Tesla.
Huh. Not really. I know. I want to long
Parents,
this.
Tesla stock is rising. The Trump administration is helping with robo-taxis.
Oh my gosh. Nice. Yeah, remember I told you guys robo-taxis in Texas next, June, right? So.
Oh yeah, Coach. Yesterday, the Secretary of Transportation said that they're going to take away all the barriers for full self-driving across the country.
Love it. If only there were one place that would have told you guys this long before this happened, right? Interesting. Getting a nice push here on SPY.
Oh my gosh, Tesla.
Yeah, Tesla's the gift that keeps on giving today. Please tell me you guys are still in the Tesla over there.
Under 60%, Coach.
Nice job. Yeah, it's just cranking to the moon. SPY looking like it's
Sergio, if I may.
SPY's looking like it's trying to recover here, at least in the short term. There it goes.
Sergio, you got an ETA on those lattes yet?
On the the grande lattes.
Hey, we're buying them in Texas. You should have showed up.
Yep, that's true. That is true. All right, looking to see SPY here. I want to see if this is going to get this. As long as it stays above this 544.64, otherwise I'll have to get out of this. But I want to see if this is going to have a nice push. Everything basically double bottom bounced. I missed the big bounce. Set my stop there just in case. There we go. Get that momentum. Did you guys see how that candle started dancing a little bit? Starting to get a little bit of momentum. Needs a bigger push, though. Otherwise, this isn't going to hold. It's in a great spot for a rebound, just waiting.
It just Apple is not playing nice today. It's not helping.
Yeah, Apple's the only thing that's just holding it back.
Yep. If Apple goes spike, it's gonna just spike.
It will. So really, just to get Apple to start climbing even a little bit, it'll take off. NVIDIA, same thing up there on that upper band. Everything's trying to make a move. You can see if you guys are trading futures, it keeps stopping at this 54.99 basically. Over and over and over. You see that? 3 times in a row. It hasn't broke through there. There it goes. It's trying again. Nice. Leave one left. You guys see how I took all the risk off the table on that trade? I collected when it went green, took all my risk off. Just made money on that whole trade. Did everybody catch that?
Yes, sir.
Yep. That's how you do it, right? I gave a little bit back on the trade before it, so I'm only up $3,783.58. But that's going to do it, though. I can feel that I'm starting to overtrade and I'm starting to force stuff, so I'm done trading for the day. I'll take my $3,800, walk away. Done. Oh.
Yeah, you will.
Unless it breaks above 545.50 to the upside on SPY. And if I'm looking at ES,
Hard to walk away.
that'll be 54.99 is what I'm looking for.
I love your loopholes that you create. For
Yeah,
yourself.
just small mental loopholes, right? Oh yeah.
I'm totally serious. I'm out.
Yeah,
Except-
unless
your mileage may vary.
exactly. Oh, there it goes. Oh, you know what? I might have to go in small here. Yep. Oh, I hit that 200 and pulled back. That's why I didn't go heavy off that spot. Oh, that's nice. This breaks. That's 200 right here. Oh my. Look at Tesla. 6%. All right. So let's take this. Protect it from a drop. Trade's protected. Got it on the wick down here. Now if this gets above this 200, I'll move it. Otherwise, I'm covered. Always about risk management more than about making money, everybody, right? You can open your mics. It's all right. Oh, this is nice upside momentum here. Oh, my. I'll add a little bit. Beautiful. I like it. I'll sell 1. I'll sell 2. Let the runner go. Put my stop in above what I paid. Free trade. Let it go the rest of the day. Do you guys see how I did that trade? Okay, that's nice.
Training it right along with you, Coach.
Good job.
Working on those mechanics I messed up on Wednesday.
Hey, Coach.
Yes.
I'm in TSLL, and I've been like adding a little bit, and I want to add, but as it keeps going up, I'm watching the like right now we're coming up to the $10 level and
Uh-huh.
things like that. But I'm only adding a share or two at a time. I'm not going crazy.
Yeah.
After it breaks and holds over 10, would its limit, or do you think I should add,
What's the 10?
hypothetically,
What's the
just a
10?
$10 level, just a $10? I mean, is that like a psychological level, or do you think it'll blow through?
Oh, I'm sorry. I was looking at Tesla. You said TSLL. My bad. Hold on.
Yeah.
Well, here's the thing, though. Yes, and typically, yes, at $10, the closer we get to it, yeah, people will want to sell it off a little bit there.
Yeah.
But on this, I would just ride the momentum. Realistically, as long as you stay above this 965, see it?
Yeah.
This is my get out, right?
Okay.
Because you've already
I've been
collected
in it.
enough.
Yeah, I've been in it since like $8.
Yeah.
But I'm just,
Oh, good
I
job.
want to add more, because if it is good news, this
Sure.
could go up to like 12,
Sure.
12, $14.
Yeah, absolutely. Yep. I love the idea. Yep. Doing a good job.
Okay.
Yep.
Thank you.
Absolutely. Great job.
Oh, also, Palm, you around?
Probably in a trade,
Oh.
but
Okay, I wanted to tell him I'm finally positive.
oh, were you working out of a big hole?
Yeah, I was down about 2 gram, but Palm kind of bitch slapped me around for a while
Oh,
and
good.
showed me how to do things.
Good, good. Glad to hear it.
Thank you.
Good job. All right, so that's it for trading for me. At the end of the day, $4,179.76. And I am done. And it is now 10:43. That is an hour and 15 minutes, basically, of trading to make $4,200. Not too bad. If you guys are interested in joining us, go to American Dream Trading. We do have a super sale on the diamond right now. $5,000. $5,000. Today will get you a diamond lifetime membership. Well, TSLL looking still beautiful there, partner. We'll get you that diamond lifetime membership. You'll have access to all of our memberships today and any we create in the future. That includes the premium, VIP, VIP Gold, all the futures, futures VIP, futures VIP Gold, crypto, crypto VIP Gold, our new platinum service that I will be introducing very soon now. You guys will also get access to things first. So TradingView Indicators 3.0, Diamond members, if we don't release it to the general public, you guys will get it first so you guys can start working with it. You're also going to get ADT TV, our televised network, you guys are going to get for absolutely free. That will be a platinum membership. Just so you guys know, with that diamond membership, and this is how serious money that it's going to save you, when I release the ADT TV, that will be $500 to $2,000 a month. A month. So ask yourself, is diamond worth it now for $5K for everything? And I'm not kidding. That service, when I release it, is going to be the ultimate premium service we have. You'll be able to watch some of us millionaires literally trade in that room, not training, but just trading. Think about what you can learn from watching us without talking and having the distractions and the things. How much is that worth to you, right? Okay, good. Absolutely. IK Ranez, you can come in for $125 or free. So don't freak out. That 5K is just all of my services. Absolutely. And by the way, that's too cheap. He said, holy crap, thinking it's expensive. I could probably at this point charge $100,000 a year and just take on 20 to 30 people and be done. Right? So how do you want to look at it? How do you guys want to look at that pricing? Is it expensive or is it cheap? There's no way, coach, you can. Yeah, I can. I have people making tens of millions of dollars. You telling me it's not worth $100,000 a year? Anybody want to bet me on that? If I could pay somebody $100K to get this kind, I would do it in a heartbeat, right? I know people, Grant Cardone and crap, they're charging like $250,000 for an hour with them. So settle down before you guys think that's expensive. None of this, what we're doing, is expensive. LD, you got your hand up. Go ahead.
Yeah, I was wondering if I'm doing this right. So I got some leaps that are out in, I don't know, well, they're out till like January of 26. What's the right way to do that? I mean,
That's
I'm
not
like
a leaps, by the
14%
way.
green.
That
Yeah, it's not quite out far enough,
no,
but they're out to January.
Okay.
Do you just collect them when they're green? Because that's what I've been doing. So I'm like 14% green today. I just been collecting them, and then if and when they go back down, I buy more.
I mean, it's
Or
really
do you just let them ride? What's the better strategy?
Well, first of all, I mean, it depends on, what is the long-term goal, right? If it's just to make some money like that off it, then yeah, you could just do it a bunch of times. But now you're overnight, or, you got to come up with a realistic set. So is it like, I'm going to hold it a month, 2 months? Now, you don't have a long window, right? You've only got a 5-month window before that time decay starts to eat them up. So you don't get the advantage of holding them for months and not worrying about it, right? That's why I say when you guys get those leaps, get them as far out as you can, because you don't worry about it. And if that was the case, I would sell some and leave some, right? I collect some so I can make my profit. And then ideally what you guys want to do with them when it really works out well, okay, let's say I bought 4, okay, and 2 of them went up, 50%. Well, that's great. You sell those 2, they covered the other 2. Those are free. Now I can let them run forever. It's a free trade. And now I've got a free trade that will roll for a year or 2 years, right? That's the ideal situation you're looking for, is you want to get those to a nice, almost zero cost. And then it's just like getting free shares, basically, right? In this case, free options. Make sense?
Yep, got you. Perfect. Thank you.
Yeah, absolutely. So that's what I try to achieve while I'm doing that. Yep, is I want to get enough of them where they will start to pay me where I don't. It's basically you're taking the risk off the table, just like you guys see me shedding now, right? So I'll go in a little heavier. Boom, I take half. Well, guess what? Now if it pulls against me, I already made the money. Now I got a lot of wiggle room. You can do the same thing with those. Tesla, who bought these weeks ago when I said this is a ridiculous fire sale? Or months. I don't remember when it was. But you guys remember? I told you again, I've said it time and time again. I said this is a crazy sale, right? And I said if you don't do it, it's on you, but don't be crying about it. All right. Well, look at today. Here we go again.
Hey, Coach.
Yes.
Would you look at Palantir?
Yep.
Thank you.
That was another one, right? That's just been doing amazing things. Yeah, PLTR right now is to the downside. Let me look at these key critical areas.
Yeah, great.
Yeah, you're sitting on one right here, this 107.84. If it can't hold this, you're going to get a pullback to 107.50. This should be support when we're coming down to this 107.50, 107. If not, there must have been bad news that came out for it.
Yeah.
Yeah.
I'm not sure, but it's starting to pull.
Oh, it's pulling big time. Look for news. If that is a news catalyst, short the hell out of it, right?
Gotcha.
News always overrides technical, remember?
Actually, Coach, it hit the 110 level, which is, I think, a key Friday call wall.
Well, and that's, if you look at it, this was pre-market high. You see it? So it double topped and pulled back.
So all the GEX is piled up right at that 110 level, and so
that makes sense.
failed to.
Yep, that makes sense. And it's just a double top pullback, right? So it might not be a news catalyst. So now what I'd be looking for then, if it's not news, is I'm looking for a bounce, this 107.50. See it?
Mm-hmm.
That should be support. If not, I mean, you got a whole other dollar move, but I'd be looking for support around this 107.50 as I got marked right here.
Okay. Thank you, sir.
Yep,
Oh, there
absolutely.
it goes.
Congratulations, Kyle just scooped up that Diamond Lifetime membership. And Master and David. Congratulations. Dang, moderators, you guys might hit that goal today, and you guys still have 3 more days before the end of the month. Now I know when I put that goal out there, you guys are like, there's no way in hell. There's always a way, my friends. Look at that.
I knew we can do it, Coach.
Absolutely. Good job, everybody. Nice work. Keep it up. All right, where are we at? 10:52. I think I'm going to step out and I'm going to go run into the futures room for a little bit to hang out. Don't forget today, VIP Gold Breakout Room. VIP Gold Breakout Room every Monday, Wednesday, and Friday. Make sure you guys check it out. I want to thank all my moderators. Thank you to Bruno, Don, Miranda, Unhappily Housewife, Eric's Moto, David, Mark, Palm Coast, Ange, Richard, Doug, Bucko, Chris, Eminem, Mountain Man, Nick, by the way, brand new. Nick just joined us like 2 days ago. We're starting to get him settled in. So he's going to be starting to do some video editing for us. And Gilly and Diesel Dan. Thank you, thank you, thank you to all my military family. Anybody that's serving or that has served, thank you so much. We honor and respect you every day. Thank you to all. Thank you. Thank you to all of my first responders, firefighters, police officers, teachers, doctors, nurses, and all my truck drivers around the world. Thank you. Thank you. Harlow, you got your hand up. Go ahead.
I do, Coach. I picked up on the diamond.
Oh, yes.
I have picked up on everything so far that was lifetime because now I don't have to worry about that either.
That's right. Thank you.
But I've got to do some retraining and refocus myself.
Absolutely. Well, thank you for being here. We appreciate that.
Thank you, Coach.
All right, gang, that's going to do it for me. Again, make sure you guys take advantage of that super sale. It is a ridiculous sale. For some of you, it'll sound expensive. I understand. Other ones that are in the room, you will know what it's worth, right? It's you'll know. So take advantage of it if you're able to. Great. If not, don't worry about it. We have tons of things in here that you guys can get a hold of if that one is too expensive, right? Regular premium memberships start at $125 a month. All sorts of stuff. You don't have to get in on the big diamond membership. We've got VIPs, VIP golds. If you guys are interested in just trading futures, you guys can get into futures, right? There's something for everybody, so don't freak out. I appreciate everybody. Thank you again, moderators, for doing such a great job. Thank you, everybody that was able to take advantage of that super sale. I'm going to head out. I'm going to jump into the futures room here in just a little bit. Love your faces. Everybody have a blessed weekend. Thank you so much for being here. I appreciate all of you and everybody.